Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to Bistégs TV. Today we're diving into a true Filipino classic, Chicken Tinola, the perfect comfort food. Imagine juicy chicken simmered with fresh vegetables, rich broth, and that signature warmth from chili leaves. It's hearty, healthy, and hits the spot every time. Whether you're new to Filipino food or a seasoned pro, this dish is a must-try. But before we jump into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes. Here are the ingredients: chicken, onions, garlic, ginger, chayote, 1 chicken cube, fish sauce, chili leaves, cooking oil, and black pepper. Got it? Great. Now let's get cooking. All right, let's start by heating up some oil in a pan. Once it's hot, we're adding our minced garlic. Love that sizzle. Stir it around until it's golden and fragrant. It's the base of all that rich flavor we're building. Ginger is the key here, guys. You want it to release all that amazing aroma that's going to flavor our tinola broth. Now in goes the sliced onion. Stir it with the garlic until the onions turn soft and translucent. This will add a sweet note that perfectly balances the dish. It's time to bring in the star of the show, our chicken. We're adding it to the pan now. Stir everything up, coating the chicken in that aromatic garlic and onion mix. You'll want to cover the pan and let it cook for a few minutes, just to lock in all those juices and flavors. Now we're adding one of the key ingredients, fish sauce. About a tablespoon will do. This will add that savory umami punch that makes tinola so flavorful. Stir it in, making sure it coats the chicken well. You'll notice that it starts to enhance the aroma almost immediately. Next, let's add the chayote. This veggie adds a subtle sweetness and becomes tender as it cooks. Chayote is not only delicious, but it also helps balance out the flavors with its slightly sweet and crisp texture. Make sure to stir it in well so it can start soaking up the broth. Now we'll season with a dash of freshly black pepper. This will give it just the right amount of spice to contrast with the mildness of the chayote. Stir everything once again to ensure all the flavors combine perfectly. We'll cover it up and let it cook for a few minutes, letting the chayote soften while the flavors meld together. Now that everything's had a chance to cook together, it's time to add the broth. Pour in about 4 cups of water, enough to cover the chicken and chayote. This will help create that comforting, flavorful soup base. To really boost the flavor, we're adding a chicken cube. This will give our broth extra depth and make it even more savory. Stir well to ensure the cube dissolves completely, mixing into the water and infusing every part of the dish. Now we'll cover the pot and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the chicken will become tender, the chayote will soften, and all those beautiful flavors will come together in the broth. Just let it cook slowly, and you'll start to smell that delicious aroma filling your kitchen. Now for the finishing touch, chili leaves. These leaves add a subtle, earthy flavor that's essential to the traditional taste of tinola. We're going to toss in a generous handful of fresh chili leaves. Not only do they add flavor, but they also give the dish a beautiful green color that makes it even more appetizing. Stir to make sure the chili leaves are well incorporated into the broth. They'll wilt down pretty quickly. Now cover the pot and let it cook for just 2 more minutes, or until the soup comes to a gentle boil. This will allow everything to cook perfectly. And that's it, friends. Our delicious chicken tinola is done. Thank you so much for watching Bistégs TV. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We have a lot more delicious recipes coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you. Cheers.